And in the buzz now at 9, what's your thought on the government requiring all health insurance companies to offer free birth control to women with no copay and no deductible? The Department of Health and Human Services rolled out the plan today. It goes into effect in a year. Supporters hail the decision as a victory for women. Critics say the government shouldn't be requiring insurers to pay for controversial contraception methods such as the morning after pill. Others fear the plan will cause everybody's premiums to go up. Now at 9, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, let's get directly into your comments. Jessica Loken Engelman writes, "This is great. Let's just hope people are responsible enough to take advantage of it."
Jose Padilla writes, "I think it's a great idea and a lot of women will take advantage of it. But at the end of the day, everything relies on the person to take it."
And that statement echoing really through a lot of comments. Gina Whitlock writes, "It's a nice idea, but just because you offer free care doesn't mean people will use it."
And Michael Todd Idle-Co says preventative care is much cheaper than waiting till something is really bad. This is great news.
And I know, Rebecca, before the show, you raised the question about, is this also going to be offered to men in preventative care? And we have a comment from one of our male viewers who asks about birth control for men. Is it going to be available? Christopher Goss said, "I'm still waiting for the male birth control pill." So that would be the argument.
Right. And Richard,
are they also going to be?
And Richard Hoganson chimes right on in saying, "When can I get a free vasectomy?"
Right, and all of the other prostate screenings and all of the other male problems and preventative care measures out there.
Eugene Lawson says birth control keeps the cost of insurance down by ensuring that we have less unwanted pregnancies. This isn't the government promoting sex, it's the government trying to save you money in the long run.
Aide Rodriguez writes, "Will this mean that birth control is available to a range of ages? Because I see a lot of teen girls taking advantage of this. STDs from unprotected sex because of a pill, that's quite scary."
Yeah, Natasha Collins on Facebook has an interesting point too. She says, "I run a teen mom program and I think this is much needed. I can't count on my fingers how many times I hear either, 'I couldn't afford birth control, it's really expensive with the economy the way it is.' Kudos to people who came up with this."
Well, and you mentioned the male birth control pill. Hard to really argue that since that doesn't actually exist yet. But Eugene Lawson says they should offer free vasectomies to men who want them.
That's what another
Yeah,
viewer
that's
was
right.
saying.
That's what people agree.